Hello, welcome to my kitchen and my channel. Today, I would like to share with you a fresh apricot jam recipe which I think you will like very much. I will share with you how to make fresh apricot jam without it crumbling. I recommend you to try it at least once. I hope you will try and like it. If you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. I have washed 2.5 kilograms of apricots thoroughly, and as you can see, I divide them in half. I take out the seed. Then I took some water in a pot. I add 2 full dessert spoons of baking soda on it. I'm mixing it and I add the dried apricots in the water. I close a lid on it and I will put it in the fridge and keep it for one night. The next day, let's wash a few times and drain the water. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sherbet. I put 2 kilograms of sugar and 1.5 liters of water in a flat pan, which is approximately 6 cups. I stir it from time to time until the sugar dissolves. After the syrup starts to boil, I boil it for about 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Meanwhile, I'm preparing the apricot seeds. I broke the seeds in half and I boiled them for 1-2 minutes to be able to peel easier. I peel them and later I will add them to the jam. The sherbet has been boiling for about 20 minutes. Now I add a teaspoon of lemon salt to it. I mix it and then I add the apricots waiting in the strainer. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of butter. It prevents the jam from foaming and overflowing. I took the jam in a larger pot. It started to boil. I take the foams formed on it out. Now I add the apricot seeds in it. I'm mixing it gently. I didn't mix too much. Just before taking it off the stove, I add the juice of half a lemon. I mix it gently from time to time. I cook the jam for a total of 55 minutes on high heat. As you can see in the video, it didn't fall apart. It was not like marmalade. The consistency was very good. I take the jam off the stove. The most important trick here is to soak the apricots in water with baking soda overnight. Therefore, it doesn't fall apart while cooking. Fresh apricot jam usually crumbles while cooking and turns into marmalade. In this way, it can be cooked as a whole without crumbling, as you can see. I recommend you to try it at least once. I hope you will try and like it. If you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.